Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mathematics Challenge 4. We have to solve this equation and find the values of a and b. Okay, firstly, we can write 36 raised to power a as 6 raised to power 2 was a, and 4 raised to power b can be written as 2 raised to power 2 raised to power b equal to 272. Now, as these both are in multiplication, so we can rearrange them. After rearranging, this will be 6 raised to power a multiplied 2 minus 2 raised to power b multiplied 2, sorry, powers 2 equal to 272. Now I can see this is in form of the identity, which is a square minus b square, which will be a plus b, a minus b. We can write it in this form. It will become 6 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b multiplied by 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b equal to 272. Now you can see that 6 is even number, 2 is even number, so their power difference of powers will be even. Similarly, this will be even number. Now we can write the multiples of 272 as 1 into 272, 2 into 138, 136. Alright, and 4 into 68, 8 into 34, and 16 into 17. Now as we wanted even numbers but 1 is odd, so this will be rejected. Similarly, 17 is odd, so this will be rejected as well. We are left with 3 cases. We'll use it as case 1, case 2, case 3. Okay, so let's start case number 1. In this, we'll put 6a minus 2b into 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b as product of 2 into 136. Obviously this will be the value of 2 and this will be the value of this, because minus 1 is smaller number and this will be a greater number. So 6 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b will be 2, and 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b will be 136. Now adding these both terms, this will cancel out and it will become 2 into 6 raised to power a equal to 138. 6 raised to power a will be 138 divided by 2. I don't think we can calculate this value as a proper number. This will be a different number and we can't able to solve it, so this case will be rejected. This case has failed. Now taking other values, case 2, where we take 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b, 6 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b as product of 4 into 68. Now this will be the smaller number and this will be the bigger number, so 6 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b will be 4 and 6 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b will be 68. Now again we'll add both these terms. Adding these terms, these two will cancel out and this will be 2 into 6 raised to power a and this will be 72. Further solving this, it will become 6 raised to power a is equal to 36 as 2 will divide 72. Now 36 can be written as 6 raised to power 2. So 6 raised to power a is equal to 6 raised to power 2. They have both same basis, so their powers will be compared and they are equal. So a will be 2. We have found the first value, or first value, which is 2. Now we'll have to find the second value. We can do this by putting either in this value or either in this value. I'm putting in this one. It will be 6 raised to power a minus 2 raised to power b is equal to 4. Putting 6 raised to power a is equal to 2. This will be 6 square minus 2 raised to power b equal to 4. It will be 36 minus 2 raised to power b is equal to 4. So 2 raised to power b will be 32. Now 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5. So this will become 2 raised to power b is equal to 2 raised to power 5. Now they have similar base, so their powers will be equal. So b is equal to 5. So we have found that a is 2 and b is 5. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and like and share the video. See you in the next video.